More and more people are struggling with opiate addiction, and each year more individuals die as a result of an overdose. One of the most urgent problems is that more people are using stronger, more dangerous opiates sooner. Keep watching to learn more about the Opiate Addiction Rehab program at Crestview Recovery Center. Medication/opiate addiction. An opiate addiction can start in a variety of different ways, but one of the most common is as a result of receiving a prescription after an injury. Doctors may prescribe opiates when individuals hurt themselves, have chronic pain, or are recovering from surgery. There are also those who turn to opiates as a way of getting high that provides euphoria or escape. What many people don't realize is how quickly an opiate addiction can progress to something potentially fatal. Most people can take opioid medications without a problem, but some people develop issues immediately because of a genetic component. These individuals generally begin craving opiate drugs after the first use. Many others may have never experienced a problem with drug or alcohol before, but develop a major issue when they begin using opiates. The long-term use of opiate-based medications can lead to tolerance, then abuse, and then a severe addiction. The problem progresses. When people take opiates on a regular basis, their bodies begin to need the medication to feel normal. If they don't get an opiate drug fix, they can develop harsh symptoms of opiate withdrawal. Because of this, when people can no longer get the medication from a doctor, they may begin buying it illegally. This can be very expensive, causing many people to eventually turn to a more potent drug like heroin, a new high. Many people who develop opiate addictions do so because they're simply looking for a way to get high. More specifically, this group is generally either looking to experience euphoria, avoid feeling a difficult emotion, or find an escape. In fact, alcoholics often eventually begin to abuse opiates in conjunction with alcohol to enhance the high. One of the big issues is that when people progress to heroin, they put themselves in a very dangerous situation due to its potency. Heroin is much more potent than morphine, and drug dealers are starting to cut it with fentanyl. Fentanyl is a prescription opiate that is 100 times more potent than morphine and 50 times stronger than heroin. Treatment. There are different reasons as to why a person starts using drugs, but they eventually continue using to feel normal. Most people who struggle with opiate addiction want to stop but find it impossible due to painful withdrawal symptoms. Because of this, the first step to getting better is to go through a medical detox to deal with the symptoms of withdrawal. Afterward, drug treatment helps these individuals identify the root of their addiction and begin the long road to recovery. Crestview Recovery provides top-notch prescription drug rehab. When you're ready to begin a new life of sobriety, you need to learn about addiction and how to prevent relapse. Our facility gives men and women the opportunity to learn how to maintain sobriety once they leave treatment. You can find out about our treatment programs by calling 866-262-0531 today.